Everybody says, where's God? God says, where are you? God says, where are you? لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون. God will not be asked about what God does, but you will be asked about what you did. So this is the test. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرَ الصَّابِرِينَ. Good tidings to those who are patient in these trials. Allah will test you with hunger. In the 19th century, 50 million people died of starvation. Many Muslims died of starvation. People forget these things. They didn't lose their faith. The people now, may Allah provide them with sustenance. There's people in Gaza that don't know where their food is coming from. Somebody putting bread through a wall to get food to these people. In Sudan, we have 2 million refugees right now in Sudan. 2 million refugees. These people now are facing starvation. These are the trials of the dunya. And the saddest thing is they're trials not just for them, they're trials for us. They're trials that reveal the failure of people to do. Everybody says, where's God? God says, where are you? God says, where are you?